Magandang buhay! Andito na naman ang Tita Teki nyo para i-discuss sa inyo ang protection plan ng AIA Philippines na guaranteed. So, AIA A+ signature. AIA A+ signature is a traditional plan. Hindi po siya BUL plan. This is highly recommended for mga seafarers, mga OFWs, mga entrepreneur, mga investors, mga breadwinners, lalo na po at sa mga gusto ng money back guarantee. Kasi this AIA A+ signature has a guaranteed benefits. So as said, it is a peso denominated participating ordinary life insurance plan that provides guaranteed death benefit, guaranteed maturity benefit, and guaranteed cash payout. Emphasize ko lamang po, guaranteed po ang death benefit, guaranteed ang maturity benefit, and guaranteed din yung cash payout. The insured age is from 0 to 65 years old, while the policy owner age or the payer age is 18 years old and up. For this plan, we have 3 payment term variant. We have the 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, and 20 years to pay. The requirement to be an owner of this plan or to be the payer of this plan, the issue age for all the payment term must be 18 years old and up. And the requirement for the insured issue age for 5 years is 0 to 65 years old. For 10 years, 0 to 60 years old. And for 20 years, 0 to 50 years old. The coverage is up to age 100, meaning the insured is protected hanggang age 100 and can enjoy the benefit of the policy longer. So let us find out more about AIA Plus signature, which is AIA Guarantee. We have the worry-free, hassle-free, and satisfaction guaranteed protection plan. It has a 200% guaranteed death benefit, meaning the guaranteed death benefit is equal to 200% of the base amount, less any debt to the company, to be provided upon the death of the insured. Say for example, you purchase a coverage of 1 million and something happened to you and you were taken out of the picture, the guaranteed death benefit is 200% or 2 million for your beneficiary. It has also a 200% maturity benefit. The insured will receive a lump sum amount equal to 200% of the face amount upon maturity or if the insured is still alive at age 100. So if the insured outlived the plan and reaches the age of 100, the 200% maturity benefit will be given to him. So like the death benefit of 200% benefit, if you purchase the protection plan or the AIA A+ signature of 1 million, the maturity benefit will then be 200% or 2 million. So a guaranteed bigger benefit that the insured will receive from the policy, giving them the assurance that their investment for their future is not at risk. That is why it is guaranteed. You have also the guaranteed cash payout of 10% of the base amount every other year starting at the end of 5th or 6th policy year. This will be discussed on the following slides. So let us talk about the mechanics of how guaranteed cash payout works. So you have 5 pay, 10 pay, and 20 pay variant. So sabi po, ang guaranteed cash payout is 10% of the base amount which is given every 2 years until policy maturity if the insured is alive at the time of payout. So, ang condition po for the guaranteed cash payout, the insured must be alive at the time of payout. So, if you have a plan of 5-year pay, your guaranteed cash payout will start at the end of the policy year. While if you have the 10 and 20 pay variant, the guaranteed cash payout will be at the end of the 6th policy year. It has a non-guaranteed dividends, so the policy is eligible to receive dividends when available, meaning the declaration of dividends depends on the performance of the company. Let's talk about the optional riders available in all variants. We have 4 riders that can be attached or is optional to attach depending on your budget, depending on your needs. So you have total and permanent disability or TPD, personal accident or PA, payers term benefit or PTB, and payers benefit on death and disability or PBDD. Total and permanent disability is an additional benefit that provides a coverage on total and permanent disability due to bodily injury or disease prior to age 65 of the insured. So, ang condition po para makaklaim ng total and permanent disability is prior to the age of 65. For the personal accident or PA is an additional benefit that provides coverage on accident-related conditions prior to age 75 of the insured. So the condition for this rider to be claimed is prior to the age of 75. And the cause of death is accident. On top of that, we have an additional 100% of the personal accident insurance, of the personal accident benefit rather, if yung cause of death is accident due to public transportation or acts of nature, whichever comes first. The payer's term benefit or PTD is an additional benefit that provides coverage in case of the untimely death of the policy owner. So this is the insurance of the payer or the owner of the policy. Payer's benefit on death and disability or PBDD, it is a waiver of premium under which waiving the total premium base and rider in case of untimely death or total and permanent disability of the payer or policy owner. Once the payer died and the policy is still on the paying period, pwede pong ma-avail itong PBDD. Next, let us give you an example on how does it work. So, our client is Baby Jane. The policy was purchased by his father, Danilo. The period is for 20 years, while the base amount is 1 million and the annual premium is 116,940. So since this is a 20-year period and it was purchased at the age of 1, the completion of the payment will be at the age of 21. So the total amount paid for the continuous payment by the father is 2,338,800. The scenario said that Jane unexpectedly passes away at the age of 84. So this is a 20-year pay. So at the age of 7, the 6th policy year, from this age up to age 83, a guaranteed cash payout of Jane total to 3,900,000. So nag-start siya on the policy year of the 6th policy year, 7 years old siya, and then hanggang age 83 siya. So ang nakuha niya na payout is 3.9. And on that age of 85, Jane unexpectedly passes away. So the guaranteed death benefit is 2 million. Total benefit received is 5.9 million. So that is for Jane. The insured and the policy owner is Danilo, the father. Next scenario, or let me repeat, the total benefit is 5.9. Deduct the premium paid, and so the total gain is 3.562 200. Next scenario, ang nag-purchase po ay si J. So, 45 years old. Ang kinuha niya is 10 pay to pay. The pays amount is 1M and the premium is 234,000 234,880. So, since this is a 10 pay period, matatapos po yung bayarin niya from age 45 to age 55. So, the total premium paid is 2,348,800. Now, our illustration said that J died at the age of 85. So, from the age of 52 until age 84, the guaranteed cash payout of 100,000 total to 1,700,000. And the guaranteed death benefit nung namatay si J at the age of 85 is 2 million. So the total benefit received is 3,700,000. If you're going to compute the net benefit from his policy, you deduct the premium paid of 2,348,800 from the total benefit received, and the net benefit from his policy is 1,351,200 or 57% earnings on the part of J. Now, let's go to the summary of benefits. So, ulitin po natin. This is available in 3 payment terms of 5, 10, or 20 years. Meron din po siyang bigger guaranteed death benefit and bigger guaranteed maturity benefit. Meron din siyang pwedeng makareceive ng more through dividends. And optional riders are available for all payment terms. Now, pwede din po natin siyang i-position as protection plus savings. So, meaning you save up for the future through the guaranteed cash payout while you are being protected until age 100. You can use the savings for a big plan purchases in the future. Pwede pong pang-travel, pwedeng pagbili ng bahay or something, or pambili ng car. So, pwede nyo siyang i-position as protection plus savings. Or, you can position it as protection plus retirement planning. So, ipaplan nyo po yung retirement nyo, especially when you are still on your 30s or 40s, and ensure that you have a continued income stream or additional source of income to sustain your lifestyle and enjoy your golden years. So, yung pong cash payout, yung po yung magiging income stream nyo. Like the pension, which is really a big difference versus your SSS pension. You can position also as a gift of protection and savings. So you can purchase the plan as a gift to your loved ones or even your children because of the issue age starts at 0. You express your love through guaranteed protection and savings for the people you hold closest to your hearts. So, for this, meron po akong ginawang video that you can watch for other presentations or for other scenario on how does it work. So, panoorin nyo po yung video ko na AIAA plus signature and create the future you want. Makikita nyo po yung different scenario on how AIAA plus signature works. Okay, so thank you for watching. And you can email me at this address or you can Viber me at this number. I will be glad to present to you some other protection plan or some good products of AIA Philippines. I repeat, to learn more about this product, you can email me at this address or you can Viber me at 0920-923-8289. Thank you for watching and God bless.